Part B, solve 7x squared plus 8x minus 5 equals 0. Give your solutions correct to three significant figures. If you see something like this and you've got a quadratic where the highest power is a 2, that means you're probably going to be using the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's just figure out what a, b, and c are. So a is the coefficient, the number before the x squared, which is 7. B is the coefficient before the x, which is 8. And c is the constant, the bit on its own, so it's negative 5. I'm going to substitute all of these into here and we'll get two solutions. And it gives you a clue, it's solutions, not solution. So first we've got minus b, so it's minus 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 8 squared, minus 4 lots of a, which is 7, and c, which is negative 5, all over 2a. A is 7. Let's concentrate on this little bit here first. We've got 8 squared minus 4 lots of 7 times by negative 5. That gives me 204. So we've got minus 8 plus or minus the square root of 204 being divided by 14. So we're going to have two answers, negative 8 plus root 204 over 14, and the other answer is negative 8 take away root 204 over 14. We'll do the plus one first. Got negative 8 plus root 204 over 14. That gives me 0.4488. I'm going to do the other one where it's a minus, and if you can go back on your calculator, you can just change that to a minus. And I've got negative 1.5916. Here we want these answers to three significant figures. So significant just means the first one that isn't a 0, the first non-zero digit. So we're going to count after this 4, 1, 2, 3. So our line would go between these two 8s. That means we would be rounding this to 0.44. It would go up to 449. So 0.449 is our first answer. The other one, we would start from here, 1, 2, 3. Line would go between the 9 and the 1. So that would just stay as it is to minus 1.59. Alex has to find the solutions of the quadratic 3k squared plus 10k minus 8 equals 0. Here is his working and answer. 3k minus 2 brackets k plus 4 equals 0 and k equals 2 or k equals negative 4. What mistake has Alex made? So let's just take a look at this. If I expand this bracket out, do I get this? So let's do 3k times by k, which is 3k squared. 3k times by 4, which is plus 12k. Negative 2 times k is take away 2k. Negative 2 add 4 is negative 8. If you combine these two together, you get 3k squared plus 10k minus 8. So he's done the first bit correctly. He has factorized it. We'll look at the next bit. We've got two numbers that multiply to make 0. So one of them will have to equal 0. We're going to do 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. And k plus 4 is equal to 0. This one's a little bit easier, so we'll do that first. Take away 4 from both sides. K is equal to negative 4, so that bit's correct. If we take a look at this one, k is being multiplied by 3, and then we take away 2, so it would be 3k is equal to 2. And if we divide both sides by 3, we get k is equal to 2/3. So he hasn't solved this part correctly. And so we found that k is equal to 2/3, so the mistake is over here. He's just thought that you can take the positive of this number, but he's forgot to divide it by 3.